Hi guys, you know we love to unbox something different here at Gadget Sidekick, and today we have something not your usual gadget, and this is the ROG backpack. Okay, so we just received our very own backpack here, and it looks so awesome. You can see the logo, the Republic of Gamers here, and the tag is here. Everything's still intact. It's a brand new backpack, and it's so freaking good. Okay, so yeah, to open it up, you can see that there's a place to place your laptop here. Okay, and of course probably the charger here. Then inside it's pretty spacious. Okay, you can see it's pretty spacious. Up front here you can also put something here. Okay. Then of course, yeah, you can hang it on your trolley, on your luggage trolley, and of course you can wear it on your back. Then of course up front you have the zipper here, running up here, and of course there goes your awesome backpack, which everybody loves to have. Here's the small pocket up front here, and you can see the design. It's so good, and it's really the Republic of Gamers laptop bag. Okay, so if you're really a huge fan of the ROG, be it the laptop or the ROG2 phone, I guess this is probably one awesome gear to have. Okay, so, and that's it. This is the Asus ROG Gamers bag, and I'm Mitch002. Thanks for watching. Gaming backpack. See ya!